Good afternoon and welcome to N8 Essentials Product Corner. My name is Michelle. I'm a certified aromatherapist and I am so happy to be here with you. I think I'm happy every week, and so I just want to thank you for giving me this opportunity to share tips and tricks with how to use aromatherapy in your home and essential oils. Today is really exciting. We're in the month of October, and it's Halloween month, but also a time for fall, and we are going to have the fall leaves come down and people want to feel toasty warm. So we thought this would be a great week to show you how to make some junk candles. And I have already started my burner, but it's starting to boil. So while we get that going, let me share with you what our product bundle is. N8 Essentials is a USDA certified organic essential oil company. Love, love, love their essential oils. They come with so much peace of mind. They are third party tested. They are USDA certified organic on top of being third party tested, so you can know that you are getting the quality and the safety of the essential oils into your own home. So we offer you a product bundle every week as almost a thank you for being part of our N8 community. You may purchase all of these retail. However, if you want to be a preferred customer, it's only a one-time fee of $25. That's it. One time, $25, and for the rest of your life, you are going to get 25% wholesale for the rest of your life. And this month, there is an amazing special. So you need to contact your advisor because it's beyond what I just said. So make sure you call them and ask them. But let me tell you, on top of that special, what this product bundle is. This product bundle for fall is amazing, amazing fruity grapefruit, which is wonderful for all types of body systems. So not only is it great aromatically, but it's really good and nourishing to the soul and the mind. We have ginger, which is very nourishing to not only the mind for balancing, but also the digestive system, and it works amazing in the muscular system. So hopefully we'll be learning more about that. Clove essential oil, wonderful for teeth and gums. Dentists have used it for eons and still today, but also very, very good for the muscular system and good for this fall time of year. We also have orange, which is one of my favorites. Orange is good all over in the sense that is balancing, creativity. It's an essential oil that evokes a great mood. It's an essential oil that can uplift a moment, and it's great for blending. So these are must-haves. And also this month, as a bonus for free, we're going to add in a USB desk diffuser. This is a little piece of heaven that you can carry with you. It's very, very small. You can plug it in with a wall jack right directly to your computer or to a wall jack. But all four of these together is $132 retail. $132. But once you're part of N8 community and a preferred customer, which you're not required to order every month, you can order as needed. This whole pack would be $99. But in the month of October, and because we care about you and want to help you become the aromatherapist in your home, we are offering a product bundle. You may have all four oils of orange and ginger and grapefruit and clove with a free desk diffuser for the low price of $69 for all five. So go ahead and get those ordered. It seems to me that my candle wax is melting and starting to boil a little bit. So let me get right to how we're going to do this. So I have a nice plethora mess. So hang with me because it's going to be super duper simple. I'm going to move these off to the side. All you need to make them is some old candles. So like these have been around forever. People typically have candles like this in their emergency packs. But if you want to make something really quick, you just need a glass. Maybe you got it at Goodwill, or it's an old shot glass that's been sitting in your cupboard. And also a lot of novelty stores now, or even your basic shopping bargain stores, are getting little jars now of all kinds. And this is all you really need to make a creative endeavor. And now we are going to talk about making a candle. You have your supplies, and you can get a wick. It's metal at the bottom, and it will set. You can get these at maybe Hobby Lobby in a pack. They're very, very easy. And you're going to need some glue and a pair of scissors. Get a pair of scissors. And what I'm doing is I took a bowl, a pot, put it on the stove, and you will definitely probably want to make sure that it's not hot. But I'm just using a Pyrex measuring cup. You'll see that I've already put candle wax in there because it melts very, very fast. There's two ways that you can do the candle wax, but you can hang, so I complete my thought here, you can hang the glass Pyrex off the side so then you don't have to worry about it tipping around. So what I'm going to do is use my little knife and I'm going to cut up, you would definitely want to be careful. You can either shred with a shredder, a cheese grater would be fine, and you want to cut up your candles. And if they've already, you can take them out of the bottom and go ahead and put it into the glass dish. Now, you can use as many candles as you'd like. And if you don't have candles, like in our house, because I have 4 children, I actually had to search high and heavy for these candles. But I'm just going to grab all these scraps and throw them in there as they're melting. But there's also handy dandy candle shavings that you can order. Super simple. Go to your local craft store. They always have a 40% off coupon, and you can buy a melt and pour wax as well if you want to make big batches. This is the season where you could gather up all kinds of different glass jars and make all kinds of Christmas presents. So, or if you're a crafter, you could take it to a local craft fair and decorate it up. So that's an easy way. Now, do you see this candle? This is a crayon. If you do not have a certain dye for candles because you can't use food coloring, you can purchase candle dye, which comes in little blocks or liquid to put in there. But if you're home and all you have is some crayons, we're going to cut those up. Now what I'm doing today is I'm going to put the crayon in this little shot glass. So the first thing I want to do with my candle wick is I want to make sure it's gunked with glue. If you have Elmer's glue that's drop glue, that's fine. All you're trying to do is to get it set down well enough. And I'm going to use a popsicle stick to kind of push it down, just so that it's nice and upright, so that it stays straight for a bit. And then I'm going to take my cutter and I'm going to cut up the crayons. Now, the crayons would melt faster if they were shredded, but if you have a couple of the same color, or if you want to mix colors and make a tie-dye, that would be awesome. So I'm just going to throw these in here and just show you how easy this is for you to do. Now, what's great is that you already have essential oils, and that means that you can use those oils. And I'm just going to set this directly into the water. In the meanwhile, my shredded candle that I've melted down is now ready. Well, we're going to see how fast that one melts. So I'm going to pull this out, find my jar, get another wick, and I'll show you a trick for this wick too. So I wonder if I have enough. Don't worry about how much candle wax, because if you don't use it and you have not colored it, it won't matter if you remelt it. And we put a little bit of glue. We set it down on the inside. See how it just stays straight? We're going to take out this candle wax. I might actually put a little bit of candle wax in here to help it melt some more. And you know, I can see that I don't have as much candle wax as I think to fill this jar. So we're just going to do a tiny one. Now I like that you can make it all different colors. So I have yellow right here, and I also have pink. So if we do want to make it that color, all we have to do is drop the candle wax dye in there and use a popsicle stick to stir it as it's melting. And depending on how much of this dye that you put in there, you'll see how red and pink it's starting to get. And you can always, again, add more candle wax. So this actually looks more like Valentine's Day now, doesn't it? We're almost done here, and it looks like my purple candle is melting as well. Beautiful. Beautiful. And let's take this out and go ahead and pour. Now, I'm not the best pour person in the world, pourer. And you'll notice that the candle wick drags a little bit. So what you can do is take another popsicle stick, set it right on top, and just let it set. Should have done this before. It would have been easier. All right, there we go. So that will keep it in place, the little popsicle stick. Now you can put in the refrigerator for it to set really quickly. And then we also have our handy, let me check how our purple candle is going. And I just really want you to see that this is really easy. Look at that. Look at how beautiful that purple is. So now what I'm going to do is throw more flakes in there, and it will continue to melt. The purple will get lighter. You could add another purple crayon, and that's it. It's really that easy, except now we want to make sure that it smells pretty too. So we're at Halloween, and what we're going to do is I just have this most amazing blend. I love this, okay? So you're going to do 10 drops of orange, okay? And what's great about candles is you're just smelling it, so there's not too many, not too little. It can be to your taste. And clove, we're going to do 4. This is an amazing fall blend. Amazing. Love this. I already made some practice candles. I love this a lot. We already have them burning. And we're going to make that blend. The other one, let me just see if I can make another one really quick, because I love this as well. We'll make a small one. Remember, your essential oils are, I can already smell the orange. Your essential oils can set the mood in your house, and a candle is actually can be used at the dinner table to make it more romantic. It is a great meditative tool, and it the light reflects on your brain, and it creates this ambiance of relaxation, and also it's very, very mesmerizing. So do not hesitate to use a candle. And if you have young children, let's just make sure that we're doing that supervised, okay? So now we have a little bit more, and as I continue to watch my wax melt, I just wanted to give you that great blend. You could also do just clove, and we'll give you those recipes as well. And you could do just ginger. Ginger is very, very mind balancing. So it's very, very simple. As soon as the wax has set, all you have to do is cut the top of the wick, and you have made yourself some amazing candles. Thank you so much. It's super easy. N8 Essentials is so thankful to have you as part of our community. Remember, you can get our October bundle, which is ginger, clove, grapefruit, and orange with a desk diffuser, which is normally $132, as our October bundle for only $69. And let me give you a little secret. Go ahead and order that, because we'll be using them at Christmas too. Thank you so much, and we hope you have a great day. Bye-bye.